we've been able to, first of all, make the community aware of what we do before we even get into identifying the survivors of conflict-related sexual violence, the different injuries they have incurred, and then what perspectives of support Refugee Law Project and other partners can engage in. That screening is an achievement in the life of the survivor. It is already a support that we see that he has given weight to the healing of this individual. So we take them through our processes of preparation right up to the hospital where they can get medical support, and that then heals their physical challenges, and it also addresses the mental issues. Refugee Law Project is a better place to replicate all the other aspects of our programming in Western region, be it the medical rehabilitation, the psychosocial support that we've been talking about, the sexual reproductive health component, because when we look at the survivor of sexual violence, they have multiple sexual reproductive health issues as a result of the sexual violence. So there are perineal tears, there are vaginal tears, there are vaginal leaking as a result of sexual violence. Through the client, we can identify the next person to support, either as a caretaker or as a next of kin or somebody who can really help us through the journey of healing. And that is our multi-survivor programming.